Today I will defend my industrial practice report presentation. So here are the contents of the thesis. So firstly we will go with the introduction and move on to the project overview, technical tasks, tools and technologies that I use in practice, industrial practice, and key challenges of the solutions, and final reflections and conclusion for the industrial practice. So hello everyone, my name is Murat Almas and I'm currently a student of computer science at x1.5 IT University. I completed my industrial practice at the company QB Solutions, which specializes in IT consulting, development and support of digital projects. The practice period lasted from 10th March and to the May 3rd. So before the practice officially started, we had a preparation stage between February 19 and March 7th, and during which we participated in an online interview with QB Solutions conducted via Google Meet. And and in this interview we have to assess our skills and assign suitable tasks. And during this presentation I will share my experience, the projects I worked on, the technologies I used, challenges I faced, and solutions I found, and the conclusions, outcomes of my industrial practice. Company overview. So now let me briefly introduce the company where I completed my industrial practice. So company name is QB Solutions, is an IT company based in Kazakhstan, founded in 2011. The company specializes in IT consulting, custom software development, business digitalization, and full project lifecycle management. Their main mission is to help businesses and government organizations adapt to modern technologies, optimize processes, and improve efficiency. Among their key projects are platforms such as Fit QBS Solutions, Widgets QBS Solutions, and BI QBS KZ, and OpenGov, and other stuffs made by them, which contribute to digital transformation in various sectors. During my practice, I had the opportunity to explore their project management systems and gain insights into real-world IT project workflows. You can learn more about the company in the website that I provided in qbs.kz. So project overview. During the practice, I initially selected the project titled Open Government of Kazakhstan, or OpenGov.kz. The main goal of this project was to centralize all information about the Open Data Initiative in Kazakhstan and to attract new participants to the initiative by developing a modern, user-friendly website. However, to meet the company's technical requirements and to ensure a strong foundation or uh, backend development, it was necessary firstly to study PHP and the PHP framework Laravel framework. Therefore, in the first phase of the practice I focused on learning and mastering Laravel through official resources provided by the company, including specialized courses. And here the blog project that videos that I have learned by them. And as a practical exercise, I completed the development of blog system using Laravel, following a structured course. And the source code and project progress are available in my public GitHub repository, which can be found at I will provide a link in the next slides. And because of the time required for through preparation, I didn't begin direct development of the project Open Government project during the practice period. However, the practical experience gained by working on a real Laravel-based project has fully equipped me to work on larger and more complex systems in the future. So technical tasks. During my practice, my technical tasks were focused on building a solid backend development skill set, especially using PHP and framework Laravel. First, I studied the PHP programming language fundamentals and the Laravel framework basics, following the recommended courses provided by the company. To apply my knowledge, I worked on creating a blog system using Laravel. The key features I implemented include user authentication, registration, login, and password management of the project, and post management. Users can create, edit basic CRUD operations on posts, and comments and categories management. Users can comment on posts, and posts are organized into different categories. For development process and version control, I use Git and GitHub, maintaining all progress transparently in my repository. Additionally, I set up my local development environment using Docker, which is an essential tool for modern backend development. And overall, this task allowed me to gain practical hands-on experience in real-world backend development workflows and tools. And next is tools and technologies that I used for the project development. Throughout my industrial practice, I worked with a variety of tools and technologies. First, it's PHP. It's a primary backend programming language used for developing server-side logic, and also Laravel, the popular PHP framework that simplifies web application development with its powerful features like routing, authentication, and easy database management. Also Docker. I use Docker to create a central local development environment, making it easier to manage dependencies and replicate production-like setups, and easy management with company with my teammates that we are in one group. and also SQLite. It's a database in the PHP Storm, which makes easy our work for developing the full stack project. Also here the SQLite schemas. You can see it's a categories schema with rows. And here's the project structure in GitHub repository. Next is it's a commits that I made during the industrial practice at GitHub repository. And also here's the project manager tool, an internal task management system used to receive tasks, track progress, and communicate within the company structure. This tool made by, I think, QB Solutions for project management. Also Notion for project tracking, project receiving tasks for, and admin LTF for using many layouts for the project in front end, and also other layouts of front end from the layout of Edica. And also here's the documentation of Laravel for learning and getting started for learning basics of Laravel. Also challenges and solutions that I meet during my practice. And during my practice, I faced several challenges that helped me grow as a developer. The first challenge was my lack of experience in PHP and Laravel, and to overcome this, I studied intensively using the video courses recommended by the company and practice developing a blog system step by step. Another challenge was setting up the Docker environment for local development. Since I had little prior experience with Docker, I solved this by reading documentation, following tutorials, and experimenting until the environment worked correctly. Also, some problem was time management, was also difficulty at the beginning, especially balancing learning and project work and diploma work. I adjusted this by creating personal study plan, and also helped the project management system from QB Solutions open. It's a project.qb.kz website. And lastly, because of the limited time available, I was not able to fully start the main OpenGov.kz project. Instead, I focused on skill development by completing the Laravel blog system project, which provided essential preparation for future projects. And overall, these challenges taught me how to organize my learning, solve technical problems, and stay motivated throughout independent work. Next is reflections for the project and some screenshots of the completed project of blog. And here's the main page of the posting the blogs of different users. And also we can authenticate as an admin page, and in our project there are only one admin have the access to manage the post categories and tags data. Well, it's a main admin page. And next is post group page, where we can make some create, update, delete moves for the posts, and also the same for the category and the same for the tags. So some reflections and conclusions for the project and for the industrial practice overall. So reflecting on my industrial practice, I can say that this experience was extremely valuable for my professional development. I gained a strong foundation in PHP and Laravel, which are essential technologies for backend development actually as a basis of the backend development overall. I significantly improved my technical problem solving skills by facing and overcoming real world challenges while working online in QB Solutions. I also learned to work independently, manage my tasks efficiently, and take responsibility for my own learning process. And also, thanks for this practice, I now feel confident and ready to take part in real world backend projects and continue my development as a backend developer, but in other programming language. And overall, the practice helped me not only to strengthen my technical skills, but also to grow personally as a future IT specialist. And for the conclusion, in conclusion, this industry practice gave me valuable hands-on experience in the real world. Throughout the internship, I mastered essential technical skills, particularly in PHP, Laravel, and Docker and GitLab, which are critical tools for a modern backend development. Beyond technical skills, I strengthened my ability to work independently, manage my learning, and solve problems proactively. This practice not only prepared me for future professional challenges, but also made me more confident in my career choice and abilities. And also, I'm deeply grateful for QB Solutions for providing this opportunity and this project. And thank you for attention. Goodbye.